welcome everyone on my channel. I hope you are doing great in your life. So आजकल मैं काफ़ी सारे emotional type के videos बना रही हूँ and this video is also going to one of that kind. And it is all coming from the heart. I have always had this thought, what is genius? मतलब who is genius? And what's like, who is somebody who is like extraordinary? So finally, I don't know, I do have an idea or not, but I think I might be wrong, I can be correct, but I do think that whoever is a genius or whoever we think is a genius, it is actually he or she or whoever they are. They are actually a product of great love and kindness shown by lot of people. There is always, you see a person front, be the lead actor, actress, or the successful, having the front light, facing all the, praise and everything. But there are so many people behind them. No person can do anything alone. There's huge support. There always has to be a huge support. Otherwise, there are so many examples of great talent crashing every single day. But if there is somebody who has not even done remarkable in their life, but who has been encouraged, loved, motivated, a little kindness of somebody has done a remarkable change in their life. There is always a support of lot many people. They can be your parents, your relatives, your dadi, dada, nana, nani, mama, mami, chacha, chachi, your friends, your parents, your school teachers, your college professors, or your friends, or it can be a stranger too who really said something so bright and so hopeful that it transformed you. And this little act of kindness, for example, I'll give you an example. I have a 500 rupees with me, and that's very normal for me. Like, I can buy a pizza and eat, or I can buy a cake, or I can just buy a dress. It's just I'll buy. It's just a 500 for me. Maybe that pizza, which is a junk, that is, I could have avoided it, or the dress was not important, but still I purchased. But there would be somebody in this planet for whom that 500 would change their life. Maybe that 500 would be, the cost of their application form, for which, or for university admission form or registration fee. And that very point of their life, there is nobody to support them. So that 500, if I give to that person, I mean, that's just another 500. I can buy another dress another day. But just imagine if I would have given that 500 to somebody, and that person, if the life changed after 10 years, I would not be even in their life. And but they would always have that act of, kindness. I don't really, I'm saying that I'm doing that so that they could remember, but just imagine the life they would have changed, and they would have got a lesson of kindness. And maybe in their life, when they would be like really successful, and if they saw somebody, somebody who is struggling, and with just another 500, they would not bother or plunge their pocket in lending that, money to that. So now that money is not just 500, it's a huge emotional thing. And you never know that your small act of love and kindness can transform somebody's life. Because, just some act of harshness, some rude words, some demotivating or demeaning words can even collapse a very talented person. People had, nervous breakdown, and people have even given up on their dreams just because somebody was really rude and mean to them. And there has been, amazing changes in the world because of little small act of kindness. It has transformed a human being completely. So in this video, I would like to say that And one more thing I would like to say, that in my school, which is amazing, it's Holy Cross School, it is in Bokaro, we do have we have a school bulletin boards, as well as in our school building we have so many posters of various great personalities, be it Mother Teresa, there are so many. And the same is there in my college. In the infrastructure there are so many great personalities, and their quotes are there. So I always make sure that I stand and read them, and many a times I wonder that they are dead, but these words are so great and they still have the relevance till date, which means that truth, it's not that the act of love and kindness or compassion is something new. The truth always stays, and it has passed over the generation. So with my video, I would just like to say you that never be harsh to somebody, never ever. Even if you are seeing somebody is doing wrong, try to, if it is in your capacity, just be a very, don't have all those profit and loss calculations in your head. Just in case, if you can do some good to people, just do that. And if be very genuine in life, because you never really know, your little act of kindness can just transform life in a very magical way. And if you become the source of doing so, why not? Why not to do that? Because this life is so meaningful and it has got a purpose. And why not to become a reason so that we can transform somebody's life in a positive way? We can fill their life with hope, and so that they follow and pursue their dreams, and always stay happy in their life. Like, it's so beautiful thing that everybody in this planet stay happy and they don't have any problem. I wish everybody in this world would stay a very peaceful and a very comfortable and very lovely life. And yes, if in my capacity, whatever I can do, so I would never ever backstep. I will never ever, if I would be able to help somebody, I will never ever be miser to do so. Never. Like, be it the words, I'm not saying in a monetary way, many a times it's emotional way. I won't if I would be capable, I wouldn't ever use any hatred, words of anger or hatred, to so that anybody could collapse, or they could not imagine, or I would never be the reason to belittle someone or say that they can't do great in your life. Because trust me, everyone can do great. We all are born geniuses. Like, I do believe there is no EQ, IQ. It's just the love and kindness one gets. Like, if you think that your IQ is really low, but you get great love, support and everything, trust me, if you work and you're hardworking, you can change your IQ level and you can change your EQ level. So just be a bit kind to yourself, and let's all be kind and loving to all the people around us. Thank you and have a great day.